In today's video, I'll show you 2 easy methods to generate a report of inactive users using Okta's built-in features and the Rockstar browser extension. Let's get started. First method is using Okta's usage report. First, log into your Okta admin console. Then, head over to the Reports section and click on Reports. Look for the Okta usage report and click on it. In here, select your requested date period and click on Request Report. Once you do that, Okta will automatically send the report to the email of the logged-in administrator. The second method is using the Rockstar extension. Go to Directory and then select People. Open the Rockstar plugin. There you'll find an option to Export Users. Click on that. In the Export Users window, you'll need to select Last Login Date and any other conditions you require for your report. Hit the Export button, and the plugin will download a CSV file directly to your computer. And there you have it, 2 simple methods to generate reports of inactive users in Okta. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.